Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve public speaking with Toastmasters easy tutorial step by step clearly. Join a Toastmasters club in your area. Visit the Toastmasters website to locate clubs nearby. Attend a meeting as a guest to observe how it works. Introduce yourself to the members and express your interest in public speaking. Sign up for membership if you find the environment welcoming. Prepare for your first speech by choosing a topic that interests you. Keep your speech simple and within the time limit. Practice your speech multiple times before the meeting. Utilize a mirror or record yourself to evaluate your performance. Focus on your body language and eye contact while speaking. Deliver your speech with confidence and remember to breathe. After your speech, listen to feedback from fellow members. Take notes on constructive criticism to improve for next time. Participate in table topics to practice impromptu speaking. Volunteer for various roles within the club to gain experience. Embrace every opportunity to speak, whether it's in Toastmasters or elsewhere. Set personal goals for your public speaking journey. Reflect on your progress regularly and celebrate small victories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.